like Swatch as well.
Swatch is a high-end brand.
Yeah? Okay, so do you want to introduce yourself briefly?
Yeah. Hello. My name is Suhan, and I'm in charge of the smart home platform in SK Telecom. And now I'll tell you about the SK Telecom smart home platform. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So if you could introduce the SK Telecom Smart Home Service.
Yeah. We launched the SK Telecom smart home service. The brand name is Smart Home, just Smart Home. So we have developed the service and ecosystem. That means we have partnership with over 60 companies in Korea, and we have 64 compatible devices in Korea. So we deliver smart home service to our customer, so our customer can connect all of our partners' devices with our platform. Yeah.
So it's a really broad network, but it's also very interconnected within itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in smart home industry, the SK Telecom isn't a manufacturer, so we can't produce any air purifier or air conditioner. So we need to some partnership like Samsung or LG or local Korean company. So that is the most important thing in smart home service. So we have done our best last 2 years. So now we have the strongest partnership in Korea. Yeah.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
That's great. Congratulations. So what's the difference of SK Telecom Smart Homes?
So in smart home service, I think there are three important things. The first thing, as I said, the partnership. Yeah. So we have the most widest partnership in Korea. And second one is the service quality. So we have variety high technology services. For example, the voice recognition and some IFT function. IFT function means if you open the door, automatically your light is turned on. So it's, if this device do something, and then that device do. So another example is when you turn on your the cooktop. Yeah, that means you are doing cooking something. So that makes your air bad. That makes your air bad. So at that time, the air purifier is turned on automatically. Yeah, so those kind of IFT service, so a mashup service, and also we have some machine learning platform. So the platform knows that where are you going and what are you going to do. So when you are going outside of your house, the platform ask you, so I think you are going out, so what about the turn off your lights and your appliances? Those kinds of recommendation service we can deliver, yeah.
Right, so it's automated.
Yeah, automatically, but ask you, so do I turn off? Just ask to you. If it just fully automatically turn on and turn off, they make some customer VOC. So now we are asking. So what about? But when you are fall asleep, you can answer that. So at that time, we just turn off the light or appliance automatically. Yeah, we decide. I think you are sleeping now, so just turn off the light or turn off the appliance. Yeah.
It's very interesting. A smart home.
Yeah, that's smart home.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It lives up to its name.
Yeah.
So, can you introduce or talk a little bit more about the smart home ecosystem? Yeah.
So basically, if we want to deliver smart home service, we need IoT device. That means the device must have the IoT module like Wi-Fi or G-Wave, such a the communication tool. So we go to the Samsung Electronics and Electronics. What about have partners with us? We will deliver very nice service. You just made the IoT device. So for 2 years we have those kind of process. We have 60 partners, and so our users buy the department store or go to the electronic mall. They buy any of the partner device. They can also use our smart home service. So that's very, very strong feature our smart home service. And we also have a very different industry area partner. For example, we have partnership with a construction company. Yeah, so they install the built-in devices in their apartment, and we can also use that built-in device. So users in the new apartment don't need to buy IoT device. They already installed the built-in. They can use already installed devices. And also we have partners with a commerce company like Amazon. So in Korea we have partners with 11th Street. That's the biggest online commerce company. So our users can order the daily commerce goods. Just to push the button and order it, and you don't need to put your credit card information. Just automatically delivered. Yeah, with a minimum price.
So what you were saying about appliances, it's great that you have so many partnerships, because then you're not limited to a certain brand or a certain field. It's quite open.
Users don't want to buy one IoT appliance and install one different app and one different app. It's very, very inconvenient. So our platform gives only one application that connected all of the other companies' devices.
Excellent. So what type of advanced technologies are applied to smart home services?
The smart home service is a fully high technology business. So if we want to deliver nice service in smart home and IoT area, we need a very high technology platform. For example, as I said, the Nugo platform is one of our platform. Yeah. So if you want to turn on and turn off light with your voice in this kind of show power couch, you need those kind of platform. So we already have it, and we also have the machine learning platform and IPT platform and some weather platform and other technology platform there. So that makes our smart home service much better. Yeah.
It's a wide spectrum. Yeah, it's great.
We use all of our platform in our company, so that it's kind of collaboration, platform collaboration. Yeah.
Excellent. So describe more about the commercialization of the world's first built-in device connected smart home.
We have the partnership with the construction company. So one of the big hurdle of a smart home industry, the user must buy the IoT device, and usually IoT device much expensive than normal device. So for example, this light is maybe $10, and IoT lighting system is $50. It's one of the big hurdle, but we have partners with the construction company, and construction company install all of the cheap IoT devices that's based on the wired, not Wi-Fi, or it's very cheaper than Wi-Fi devices. So users don't need to buy those kind of expensive IoT things. They just buy apartment, and they go to that apartment. They already have a variety of IoT devices. For example, the lighting and thermostat and gas valve and IoT outlet, and also they can get some public utility service. For example, the parking lot location and some mailbox notification. So in Korea, many apartments has a IoT mailbox. So someone put some mail on your mailbox, you can get notification through your application. So those kind of service also possible in Korea because of the collaboration with the construction company. Yeah, we think that's the first case in the world. Yeah, so other company doesn't have those kind of collaboration with the construction company.
So you said that these sort of services work through voice recognition.
Yeah.
But could they also be controlled remotely, for example, on the app?
Yeah. So basically, we have two client client service. So basically, through your application, you can control all of your devices by application and turn on, turn off, change wind speed or other things, and turn on, turn off the you can change the menu of the TV, and also you can use a Nugu speaker. Did you know that? Yeah, that there are the Nugu speaker. Yeah. You can also use Nugu speaker to control your devices. So just to say, turn off the light and turn on the air purifier or turn on the air conditioner. Yeah, it's also working now in Korea. Yeah. So in my house, my 6 years old son also used that Nugu speaker, and always Rebecca, turn on my light. Yeah, of course in Korean. Yeah, but it's working very well.
So hypothetically speaking, you could be driving home from work and decide to put your heating on and already have a warm home when you get there.
That's one of the biggest scenario. So and automatically our platform know that you are on the way to your home. So about the 1.5 kilometer before you come back your home, your smartphone application notified that, or you are going home. What about activated your coming on mode? That means turn on the thermostat and turn on light and turn every appliance that you need to turn on after you come back home. Yeah.
Oh, it's incredible. So instead of the typical saying "home sweet home," it'll be "home smart home."
Yeah. So smart home delivers values. I think the convenience and safety and some entertainment area, and we want to deliver those kind of value to customers by using our technology and our partnership. Yeah.
I definitely think it's something that will really capture the attention of your customers. So I wish you all the luck, but I think you're on the right track to commercializing your idea.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.